In this video, I will be showing how I put our TV on the wall. If you're interested in getting the same wall mount, I will leave a link in the description below. The first thing that I did is find out the stud and pre-drill the holes. And then I added the little plastic adapter. And then after that, I had to patch the wall because I was having a hard time finding the stud at first. Before I put the mountings, I decided to put some mud in, and then I just put the bracket in and start putting the heavy duty bolts in. And then I put those little plastic cover back in. Those screws will be the one that's holding the bracket on the back of the TV. One go on the top and one go on the bottom, and don't forget to use your washers. And now I'm taking the TV legs out. We decided to put it on the wall now because our kids are growing up and they start touching the TV. It's a good way that you can break the TV. And the way this go in, the top portion go in first, and then the bottom portion gonna be screw in. With those black screws, you just put one on each side, and the TV should be sturdy now. As you can see, you can move the TV quite a way from side to side, and you can also change the orientation of it by tilting it, but you have to unscrew this screw right here. I'm going to show you. You have to unscrew that screw right here, and you will be able to adjust the viewing angle. Overall, I think this is a pretty easy project. Most people should be able to do it. Give it a try. You never know what you are capable of. Later on, I will be feeding all those wires through the wall, and there will be no cabinet in front of the TV. Again, I will leave a link in the description below if you're interested in getting this TV mount. Thank you. Have a good one.